Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and welcome to another live stream. And in this video, or in this live stream, I want to do a coding challenge like I've done in previous live streams. But before that, I wanted to make you guys aware that at devnursery.com, this is my website, or one of my websites, if you join the Slack community or Discord community, I'm starting a tutorial club. Kind of like there's like book clubs where people, like every month they read a book and then they get together to talk about it. The idea here is that every week I'll share a tutorial, and if everyone works on the same tutorial, everyone can kind of share, troubleshoot with each other, and help each other maximize their learning. And that way everyone kind of focuses on like a topic, and they can like fully flesh out that topic, and the next week there'll be another topic. So if you want to check out that tutorial of the week, do head over to devnursery.com and go click on either the Slack or Discord or both. You can join both communities, and you'll find a channel called Learn More, and join that channel, the Learn More channel, and you'll see the tutorial of the week in that channel. So keep an eye out for that. And with that, let's do a code challenge. Okay, so this was the one we did yesterday, which was good times. That one took me a while. Oops, that's not where I wanted to go. Let's go to kata. Let's do level 6. Highest scoring word. Okay, let's see. JavaScript. Given a string of words, you need to find the highest scoring word. Each letter of a word scores points according to its position in the alphabet. You need to return the highest scoring word as a string. If two words score the same, return the word that appears earliest in the original string. Good times. All letters will be lowercase and all inputs will be valid. All letters will be lowercase and all inputs will be valid. All letters will be lowercase and all inputs will be valid. Okay. So that means we don't have to check to see if there's uppercase or anything like that. Trying to think, I know there's an easy way to figure out like the score, but I'm going to say the easiest way to do this would be just to create a object with all the letters. Okay, so that'd just be like A1, B2, and I know there's a shorter way to do this, but I just woke up. D4, E5, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, okay, G, H, I, so this will take a second, H, I, J, 10, K, which is 11, okay, we're almost halfway there, K, H, I, J, K, L, L, which is 12, L, M, which is 13, so now we're halfway there. Oh, we're halfway there. Okay. L, M, N, 14. And L, M, N, O, which is 15. O, which is 15. L, M, N, O, P, which is 16. Q, which is 17. Q, R, S, Q, R, S, T, U, V. and then it'll be QRSTUV W X Y and Z. Perfect. Okay, so that we have that. Okay, and we need to save that in a variable. So const scorecard. Okay. And then I'm gonna take an approach that we saw in one of the answers. Okay, I solved yesterday's problem, and then I looked through the answers, and there was one version that used reduce, and I think that actually would work really well here. I always like to kind of like, hey, see things that I saw before, and then apply them here. So now that we have that, essentially what I want to do is first split the string into words. Const words equals, okay, const, and then actually create a variable to hold the winner. Let winner equal right now an empty string. Okay. Let winner const words equals x dot split, and we're going to split it by space, so that way it's by words, and then we're going to use reduce on the words. Words dot reduce. Okay, and that's for each word. And that's actually going to be for each the accumulator. Okay. Am I? Actually, I could just return the results of this, and that should do the job. Return words, so I don't really need this. Okay. And then if I really want to be succinct about this, I could, instead of saving this variable called words, just do that. Okay. Accumulator words. Let me just have the index just in case. Okay. So essentially what I want to do, okay, okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to start with an array, which is just an empty string and a score of 0. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to say const score equals the word split into letters. Then we're going to reduce that as well. Okay, dot reduce. And what I want is for each letter, so it's going to be ac letter. I'm just going to add act2 so it doesn't get confused with the act outside the function. Act2, I'll just say score. Let's not do that. Tab. Say tab. So for each letter, it's going to equal the accumulator plus equals scorecard using the letter as the key. Okay, and that'll tell us what like the value of that score is. And then we're going to start counting from 0. Okay, so basically it'll just tabulate that all up. And then what we do is we're going to do an if score is greater than the accumulator's second argument. Okay, and so each letter, you need to return the highest scoring word as a string. Score is greater than that. Then what I want, if it's greater than that, then we're going to return that as the winner. So we're going to say, or that is the current winner. So it would be the word and then the score. Else, we return the current one as the current winner, Okay, and then when that's done, that's going to return an array, but I really only want the first item in the array, so we're just going to return 0. Okay, I think that should do it. Okay. Oh, cannot read property 0 of undefined on which line? Anywhere else I refer to property 0? It's just property 0 here. That should give me the wrong answer. Expect attacks and instead got undefined. Oh, okay. So that's not doing what I think it's doing. Okay. So let's see here. Return word score. Let's do this. Console log score. Like, is this giving me the scores? Nan. Let's see here. Accumulator, which would be 0. Let's see here. Am I getting the right word? Console.log word. Oh, I'm only getting a letter. Oh wait, sometimes it's just nan taxi nan 2. And I need to. Okay, so that's doing what it's supposed to be doing. So then we take word dot split that reduce. Oh, because it's not. It's tab. That's the reason. Tab plus scorecard. Okay, let's try it now. Man, I. Still returning me a scorecard letter. Because technically what it should be doing is tab plus equals scorecard M 13 1 14 and then N 14, so it should be 28. So why am I not getting that? Reduce, again, it's starting with 0. Scorecard letter. Oh, I put the string of letter. Oh. This is what happens when you also have been switching between Python too much. Okay, test. There we go. Okay, so it's getting the numbers. Good. Cannot read property 1 of undefined, which technically that should be this. So let's console log ack. See why. And 28 need undefined. Okay, so it scores need. Now why is it suddenly undefined? Am I somewhere okay, I don't think I'm reassigning. So let's do it this way. Console.log score. Okay, man 0, 28 makes sense. So then the next go around is just the letter I. Okay, 9. Oh, wait, that's right. Return ack. But why is ack undefined? Let's see here. Ack. I sound like one of those aliens from Mars. Attacks. So I Man 28th. I don't see anywhere that would suddenly change. Return. Oh, I didn't write the word return. Ooh. There we go. Okay, good. Now that's working the way I want it to work, and then technically this should return what I need there. And there we go. Perfect. Let's just get rid of these console logs. We don't need those. And then actually let me copy this over to my code challenge thing. New file, high score word.js. And then we'll copy over the URL. Okay, and then again, all these will be pushed up to my daily code practice repo. So if you want to look at these more in depth, just go to my GitHub profile. My daily code practice repo is pinned to the front of my GitHub profile. Alex Merced Coder is the profile. Let me just actually do that now. Let me put some slashes here. Okay, and then do a pushy challenges origin master. Okay, and again, that pushy command is a custom command that I created in Bash, so don't try that at home unless you want to recreate it. Okay, let's do an attempt. Yay. And yes. And yes. Take me to page, give me points. There we go. Okay. Index of word. Okay, that's, I always forget that you can do that. So basically they just put all the letters in order and then the index should kind of do it. But yeah, okay, so those are some good solutions. But yeah, that's today's live stream. Again, make sure to head over, join the Dev Nursery Slack or Discord community so that way you can be part of the tutorial of the week. This week it's GraphQL. And I'll see you all at on Monday for the next live stream.